cut these plugs down to less than an inch, just a little less than an inch. Well, they're right about at an inch or less. These are all the cut off pieces. But they seem to fit pretty good now. Sometimes I do have to get the strings, get the knot started first. Get the knot to go down in the hole. And then pull the string up, back up. But those seem to fit pretty good now, I think. I'm gonna hook these two together, smash the hook onto them. Those I'm gonna, I think, hook to each other so I can hook this to something or whatever. And then my front ones, I just ran this bungee underneath. And then I'll probably squeeze that onto it so they can be pulled but still be there. Bye again, Casey. And then I got my extras, or if I want, I can just hook them all